u dak iż-żgħir il-mulejja raħħafna. Mela ħanaddu għall-kanzunetta mingħand Eve ta' Bone u aħna sa dan it-tant inkomplu nċemplu.
Featured.
Been staring at the edge of the water long as I can remember, never really knowing why. I wish I could be the perfect daughter, but I come back to the water no matter how hard I try. Every turn I take, every trail I track, every path I make, every road leads back to a place I know where I cannot go, where I long to be. See the light of the sky, meet the sea, it calls me, but no one knows how far it goes. If the wind of my sail on the sea stays behind me, one day I'll know. If I go there, just no telling how far I'll go. I know everybody on this island seems so happy on this island. Everything is by design. I know everybody on this island has a rule on this island, so maybe I could roll with mine. I can lead with pride, I can make us strong. I'll be satisfied if I play along with the voice inside. It's a different song. What is wrong with me? See the light that shines on the sea, it's blinding, but no one knows how deep it goes. And it seems like it's calling out to me, so come find me and let me know what's beyond that line. Will I cross that line to the light of the sky, meet the sea? It calls me, but no one knows how far it goes. If the wind of my sail on the sea stays behind me, one day I'll know how far I'll go.
Proset Eve ta' Bone f'dik il-kanzunetta. Jina saqsejt il-mami